Hello, Ronnie. Say hello to the camera, Ronnie. Say hello, viewers. Hello, viewers. Ronnie is very quiet. No, you stay there, Ronnie. No, you stay there. I've had to put this box here to keep him out of the way. By the way, fag is just coincidence, okay? Let's not start talking. Start some rumours going. Anyway, enough of the Ronster. It's a bit messy there. Sorry for the mess. I need to have a proper clean up again. This place gets so dirty so quickly. But anyway, I'm working on the BMW. I've taken the spark plugs out. I've not been altogether happy with the running of the bike. I thought it was a little bit kind of rough at times, so I wanted to pull out the spark plugs and have a look at them. And I think I probably covered about 3,000 miles, 2,000 to 3,000 miles with these in. Not really a lot of mileage when you consider these are long life plugs. Now, I don't know if you can see, guys, I don't know what you think, but let's turn this light up a bit more. I'm not overly impressed with the condition of these plugs. I'll have to get an image of how they looked originally, and I mean more so just the end, the kind of diode of these. Is it a diode? Of the actual plug itself. I'm not happy with the condition of them. They look to me a little bit like they're kind of breaking up a bit. Now, I'm not one for bad mouthing products and saying things aren't maybe up to standard, but I personally pulled these out of the bike. I wanted to check them and see what condition they were in, and I put the old ones back in. This is the standard spark plug, NGK LMR9D-J. There's the actual part number there. 1633 NGK spark plug. So that is the standard plugs. And if you look at these in comparison, there isn't really, can I get this in shot for you? There's not really any wear on that white kind of diode there on the inside. Is it called a diode? Someone corrects me if I'm wrong. Can I stop shaking enough to show you a good clear image? But anyway, yeah, I'm not confident. I'm not happy with these the Brisk spark plugs. I just think that this very tip, the end here, is quite worn. You can see more so maybe on this one, like the metal ring. Let me see if I can see it on one of these. Maybe more so on that one. Yeah, it just seems to have worn down quite a lot, and I don't think that kind of little metal ring was showing before. So I think the ends of the spark plugs have worn away a fair bit, and I'm a bit worried about that. So I've pulled them, and I temporarily fitted the standard spark plugs. I'm not sure what mileage the standard plugs had covered when I bought the bike up until when they were changed. I need to check that, go through the service history, but I would imagine they have been in the bike since new, the original NGK. So these have been in the bike since new. Those have been in the bike since new, and these were the Brisk ones, which I kind of fitted as a long life performance plug, and I'm not impressed personally in comparison to the old ones. So yeah, I pulled them and I'm fitting new spark plugs, brand new spark plug. Let's have a look at that in comparison to the others. Now, not really, in my opinion. Very hard to tell, to be honest, with this light and the colours going on, but not a lot of wear and tear in comparison to a brand new one. So 4 new spark plugs going in. Bought those on Fleabay for £40. I've taken out the coil packs and give them a good clean up. Something that I really recommend is this tool for pulling out the coil pack. It's absolute godsend, makes life a lot easier, and you end up not damaging your coil packs pulling them out. Otherwise, because they are really tough to get out. This just slots on the top of the coil pack. Can I do it with one hand? Probably not. Maybe I can. Yes, I did. Okay, so it just slots on like that, and then you can get both fingers, or get your fingers around it and pull it out and not damage the coil pack. So that is an invaluable tool, and I very much recommend you buy one of those. I bought that, again, that was on eBay. I think £10 I paid for that. Worth every penny, because these coil packs are super expensive and it's not funny if you damage them. So yeah, I really recommend you buying those if you're gonna have a go at doing your own plugs. So yeah, away with the Brisk. Sorry Brisk, just not impressed with the quality of your plugs and how they look after quite possibly, I don't know, 2,000 or 3,000 miles. Oh, Ronnie's looking for attention again. What is it, Ronnie? What is it, baby boy? Say hello. No, he's not going to say anything. Oh, no, you might. Oh, God, he's going to have the box over. What are you doing? What you doing? What you doing? What are you doing? Yeah. What you doing? Oh, my God. Oh, I started him off. Who is it, Ronnie? Go chase the birds. Where's the birds? Anyway, I'm going to get these plugs, new plugs in, and get the bike back together, and hope it runs better. Alright, thanks for watching. Cheers!